Oh, hello fellow scientists! In this episode, we will be discussing the uses of disinfecting alcohol and how it looks based on its intermolecular force. We all know that we are currently facing a pandemic, which means it is not only experienced in a single country, but almost every country is experiencing it. With all these, alcohol comes in very handy because it is a natural bactericidal treatment. Alcohol can also kill fungus and viruses. In this case, it may help prevent the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, also known as the COVID-19. It is important a person uses an alcohol concentration of not less than a 50% solution. There are two commonly used classifications of disinfecting alcohol. One is the ethyl alcohol, and the other is the isopropyl alcohol. But what are the differences and similarities of these two? My scientists, we are about to find out. Let us call on our special guest, Mr. COVID Bryant.
I'm waiting for a call in the science lab. Let me do a TikTok first.
I am truly sorry, guys, for what you just saw. Oh. Moving on to the discussion, there are three types of intermolecular forces present in both the isopropanol and the ethanol. Both of them have the oxygen, the carbon, and the hydrogen. First, the London dispersion forces, also known as the LDF. These are the forces between two nonpolar molecules. When we say nonpolar molecules, their electrical charges are evenly distributed, meaning they share equal electrons. Second, the dipole-dipole interactions. These are attractive forces between polar molecules. Polar molecules are molecules that do not share an equal number of electric charges. The last, but definitely not the least, the hydrogen bonding. It involves hydrogen and an atom with high electronegativity, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. In this case, both the ethyl and isopropyl alcohol have the hydrogen and oxygen as their structure. Moving on to the differences, isopropyl and ethyl alcohol is different due to their different chemical structures. Ethyl alcohol has two carbons, while isopropyl alcohol has three. The OH group of ethyl alcohol is attached to the first carbon of the chain, and therefore it is a primary alcohol. On the contrary, OH group of isopropyl alcohol is attached to the second carbon, and thus it is a secondary alcohol. Thank you, COVID Bryant, for that wonderful explanation. So now, scientists, we know the differences and similarities of both the ethyl and the isopropyl alcohol. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all learned and enjoyed. Keep spraying your alcohol to keep COVID away.